Today I am reviewing the HP 255 G10 laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this laptop for yourself, be sure to check the link in the description. If you're looking for a powerful, future-ready business laptop in 2025, then the HP 255 G10 with Ryzen 7, 64GB of RAM, and a 2TB SSD might just be the perfect choice. Whether you're a professional, student, creator, or someone who simply wants speed and power without compromise, this machine is built to handle it all. Let's take a deep dive into what makes this laptop such a strong contender in today's competitive tech landscape. Let's start with performance. At the heart of the HP 255 G10 is the AMD Ryzen 7 7730U processor. This is an 8-core, 16-thread CPU that runs at a base clock speed of 2.0 GHz and can boost up to 4.5 GHz when needed. That means it's more than capable of handling everything from heavy multitasking and content creation to data analysis, video conferencing, and even light gaming. Combined with AMD Radeon integrated graphics, it provides smooth visuals for most everyday tasks and business applications. What really stands out, though, is the massive 64GB of DDR4 RAM. That's more than enough for intensive multitasking. Whether you're juggling dozens of browser tabs, editing large spreadsheets, running virtual machines, or switching between heavy applications like Photoshop, Excel, and Chrome, this laptop will glide through them without breaking a sweat. In terms of storage, HP has taken things to the next level with a 2TB PCIe NVMe solid-state drive. This isn't just about having tons of space for files, projects, and media. It's about speed. Boot up takes seconds, applications load instantly, and file transfers are lightning fast. No more waiting around for things to load. Everything just works seamlessly. The 15.6-inch Full HD display is another strong point. It's an IPS panel with anti-glare coating, micro-edge design, and a 1920 by 1080 resolution. It's bright enough at 250 nits for indoor work, and the colors are reasonably sharp for presentations, video playback, and productivity tasks. While it's not designed for professional color grading, it's more than suitable for day-to-day work, Netflix streaming, and multitasking. You also get Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring a fast and stable wireless connection, crucial for modern remote work setups or high-speed file transfers. And the selection of ports is very practical. You get one HDMI port, 2 super speed USB Type-A ports, 1 USB Type-C port, and a headphone/mic combo jack. These are ideal for connecting external displays, storage drives, or peripherals like keyboards and mice. One major advantage here is the inclusion of Windows 11 Pro. This version gives you added features over the standard Windows Home Edition, including remote desktop access, BitLocker encryption, and enterprise-level security. It's perfect for professionals, freelancers, or anyone managing sensitive data. Now, here's where it gets even better. This laptop comes with a lifetime licensed Microsoft Office Pro 2024 pre-installed. That means full access to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and more, without needing a recurring subscription. Just make sure to activate the installed version, not the Office 365 trial. That's a great value, especially for business users and students who rely on Office every day. Physically, the HP 255 G10 has a sleek black design, a solid build quality for the price point, and a full-size keyboard with a numeric keypad, which is excellent for data entry and productivity. There's also a built-in webcam and dual-array microphones, making it ready for Zoom calls, remote work, or virtual classrooms right out of the box. To wrap things up, the HP 255 G10 in 2025 is a performance-packed business laptop at a competitive price. You're getting a fast Ryzen 7 processor, an enormous 64GB of RAM, a super-fast 2TB SSD, Windows 11 Pro, and Office Pro 2024 all in one package. It's future-ready, reliable, and built to handle heavy workloads with ease. Whether you're upgrading your work-from-home setup, heading off to college, or looking for a portable powerhouse for business or creative tasks, this HP laptop is absolutely worth considering.